Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sarmishta. As we have started our Laravel 8 tutorial series, this is the second video, and in this video I will teach you how to install Laravel to your project. So if you don't know what is Laravel, I have started the first video, the introduction part of the Laravel 8. So if you want to watch, you can watch that. The link is given in the description box, and have the basic knowledge what is Laravel and why it is used. So before starting this video, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe it, give a like and share it if you found valuable. So to install Laravel to your project, we need two things. One is PHP, the local server, XAMPP or WAMP or LAMP, but in this video I am going to refer XAMPP, as I have installed XAMPP server to my local system. This is the XAMPP control panel, and another one is Composer. So you need two things. One is PHP and another one is Composer. Yes, one important thing, if you are installing Laravel 8 to your project, then recommend version is of PHP is 7.3 or more version. If you haven't yet installed Composer in your system, then go to the link getcomposer.org. The link will be in the description box. Just click there and go to this page. Click download. Then download and run composer setup.exe file. As I have already installed Composer to my system, I am not going to install it again. So to install it, you need to follow this rule. Once you're done with Composer, just check the version of PHP. So in order to install Laravel, you need to write the command as composer create project, then double dash prefer dash dist Laravel and the project name. Then hit enter and it will start installing Laravel to your project. So it is installing. It will take some few minutes. So here you can see it is installing. Now it is installed successfully. So in order to install Laravel, you need to follow the command as composer, then space create project, composer space create dash project, then one space, then double dash prefer dash dist Laravel and the folder name. Then hit enter. Then it will start downloading the file, and once it is completed, you need to check. Once it is completed, you can check like this. See, one folder is created as a CMS and all the files are installed properly. Now you need to go Composer. Just open with, I have text editor, any text editor. I will open with Sublime Text. Laravel framework 8.65 version. This is the latest version we have installed. Now let's test whether our Laravel is working fine or not. Then the folder name, then PHP, we need to write the command PHP artisan serve. Now the server is 8000 and hit enter. So now it is working fine. Like this, you have installed Laravel to your project. In the next video, I will teach you the folder structures, which folders are important. So still I will tell you, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you found this video to be valuable, then please don't forget to share with your networks. So keep watching. Till now, take care. Bye.